You've probably seen it. Someone posts a screenshot, it's a big number. I made $500 this month on Freecash, and here's how to do it. I made $100 in 30 minutes. I made $2,500. And you think, wait, really? Just by playing games and doing surveys? Let me be straight with you right now. Freecash is real. It pays real money. I'm not here to tell you it's a scam. But the way it gets presented online, that's a different story. Nobody shows you the hours. Nobody shows you the tasks that don't pay out. Nobody shows you what your actual hourly rate looks like when you do the math. That's what this video is about. What a Freecash actually is. What you can realistically earn and what the catches are. And who it's for. And look, I want to say something before we get into it. Small money is not nothing. If you're a student, if you're between jobs, if you're in a country where $20 or $30 a month actually makes a difference in your life, then a platform like this can be genuinely useful. The problem here isn't the platform. The problem is the way it gets sold. Like anyone can replace their income with it, like it's a real business opportunity, or it's not. But for the right person, it's a legitimate way to earn something from your spare time. So let's figure out if you're that person. So what is Freecash? It's a GPT platform. GPT stands for Get Paid To. And the idea is simple. Companies pay Freecash to get real users to try their apps, play their games, answer their surveys. Freecash then shares some of that money with you. Some of that money. You can earn by playing mobile or PC games, downloading apps, completing surveys, signing up for free trials, and a few other things. The Trustpilot is good, 4.7 out of 5 from thousands of reviews. So yes, it's legit. People do get paid, but legit doesn't mean it's going to change your life. And that's the conversation most people avoid. Here's what you actually need to understand before you sign up. This is not a side hustle in the way most people think of a side hustle. It's more like spare change for your spare time. Most users earn somewhere between $2 and $5 per hour, and if you're consistent and strategic, maybe a bit more. Moderately active users typically make around $10 to $50 a month, and very active users, people putting in serious time in this, might hit $100 or more. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Your earnings depend heavily on where you live. If you're in the US or Western Europe, you'll see more offers and higher payouts. If you're in the other parts of the world, the same tasks might pay far less or not show up at all. Also, not every task pays out cleanly. Some offers don't track properly. This happens. It's a known issue. You will need to take screenshots, contact support, and sometimes chase down your earnings. That's the reality. It works, but it's not smooth every time. Okay, so how do you actually use it? When you sign up, you might land in what's called light mode. This is a locked version of the platform with limited offers, and to unlock everything, advanced mode, you need to earn your first $20. Once you're in advanced mode, you get access to everything. Game offers, offer walls, surveys, daily bonuses, leaderboards, and a streak system that rewards you for showing up consistently. And also, there's a referral program, and it's not the usual flat bonus stuff. Freecash runs a 10-tier system where you can earn a lifetime percentage of your referred users' earnings, and if you build a decent referral base, that can actually become a meaningful chunk of your income on the platform. For payouts, PayPal, crypto, gift cards, the threshold is low. Some methods let you cash out from as little as 10 cents. Crypto first redemption requires $20, but after that, there's no minimum. Payments usually go through fast, sometimes within minutes. Let's just be direct about this. What's actually good? The game offers are genuinely some of the best in the GPT space. Honestly, high variety, competitive rates, new stuff added regularly, and if you enjoy gaming anyway, this is probably the most natural fit. Payouts are fast. That's not nothing. A lot of platforms make you wait days or weeks. Freecash usually comes through quickly. The streak and quest system gives you a reason to come back. It's gamified in a way that actually rewards consistency rather than just volume. And the referral program, if you have an audience or a network, is legitimately one of the better ones out there. What's not so good, offers don't always track. This is the #1 complaint from users. You do the work, you don't get the credit for it. It doesn't happen every time, but it happens enough that you need to be prepared for it. Earnings vary massively by location. If you're not in tier 1 country, you might find the platform far less useful than the reviews suggest. The light mode is a barrier for new users. You have to commit to earning $20 before the platform fully opens up. That's not a deal breaker, but go in knowing it. And some offers involve signing up for free trials or giving your card details or paying something to advance. Read everything carefully before you accept anything. That's just common sense, but worth saying. So let me just show you something. If you click on this game, so play and earn $3,000, you click on it, and then you can see here that you're gonna get 3 cents when you reach level 6 of this game, and you have to complete this within 30 days. Okay, that's not gonna be so hard. But the next one and the next one, you can see it's low amount of money until you get to like level 65, where you actually get $30 or $16 right here. And when you reach like level 100, you're gonna have $300. And when you reach level 130, you're gonna get $1,000. But you have 60 days to do it. Who knows if this game, is it even possible to reach this level in 60 days? Or do you have to make in-game purchases in order to reach this level? So yeah, think about it. So who should actually use Freecash? If you're a casual gamer and you're gonna be playing mobile games anyway, this makes a lot of sense. You're getting paid for something you'd already be doing. That's genuinely a good deal. If you're a student or someone with genuinely free time to fill, same thing. A few hours a week over time adds up to something useful. It's not life-changing, but it's real. Now, if you have an audience, a YouTube channel, or a blog, or social media following, the referral program is probably the most interesting part of Freecash for you. Lifetime percentage earnings from referrals can compound over time in a way that basic task completion never will. But if you're looking for some serious dough, some serious income, this isn't it. $2 to $5 an hour is the honest range for most people. There are much better uses of your time if income is the goal. Freelancing, learning a skill, building something, any of those will move the needle more than GPT platforms ever will. Freecash is a top-up. It's not a solution. So, is Freecash worth it? Yes, but only in the right context. It's a legitimate platform. It pays. The experience is better than most in its category. The game offers are strong. Payouts are fast. And if you use it consistently, the streaks and quests give you a bit more on top. But go in with realistic expectations. You're not going to make hundreds a month from surveys and app downloads. Most people won't. The ones who do are either very active or they use the referral program, or both. You know, in order for any company to operate without going completely bankrupt, they have to be making more money from you than you ever make from them. If people were earning thousands of dollars doing something simple as, playing games or watching YouTube videos, any normal company would go bankrupt in a matter of hours because that earns them no revenue. So use it for what it is, something to do with in your spare time that happens to pay you a little. That's the right way to think about it. Or, as I've told you in the beginning, if you live in a country where that's enough, go ahead and do it. And I wish you good luck. So, yeah, catch you in the next one.